Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to, let me go back quickly. Right here we have to go and find sound and vibration. Then let's localize this option phone ringtone and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. Those are pre-installed. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose something from it. Let me pick something maybe from Natural Elements. So just enter the specific album, and here you've got more options. They are also pre-installed. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So I'll pick this one. Not sure if I like it, but this is how it works. So just tap on the ringtone and then check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this night song to be set as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it and then tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.